Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Smart Switch for Agriculture Irrigation, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. With the help of this project, you can easily monitor the working condition and operational mode of machinery used on your farms remotely via your smartphone. The main objective of this project is to provide convenience to the farmers. The components used to develop this project are an Arduino UNO board over which the code will run, a GSM with GPRS SIM 800L module to establish communication via smartphone, a 4-channel relay mode that connects to different farm machines and automatically turns them on or off when commanded, an I2C LCD display to display the operational mode of machinery. Apart from these, a few connectors are used to assemble the circuit. First, connect the Arduino UNO board to the 4-channel relay. For pin connections, refer to the circuit diagram shown at the top corner of the screen. Once the relay is connected, connect the I2C LCD display following the circuit diagram. Now it's time to connect the last component, that is the GSM module. Make the proper connections as shown here. Now our circuit is all assembled. In the next step, we will move on to the code. The coding is done over Arduino IDE. This is our code. In the beginning, add a few header files related to various different components used in this project. In the setup function, initialize the LCD and turn on its backlight and print a message. Then set the baud rate of the GSM module and set the baud rate of the serial monitor. Now define the output pins and make a few pins high as per the components connected. Print the message on LCD at a certain delay and keep on clearing the message from the display. In the loop function, check the availability of the serial monitor and look for the command. As per the command, either the message is sent or the message is received. Now check the availability of the GSM module and write and read the tasks in the if-else statement. Here are the send message and receive message functions defined, which use that commands to send and receive messages. Put your phone number here. Now select the board and port, run the code and upload on Arduino UNO board. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. We have seen how to assemble the circuit, write code and upload on the Arduino board. Now let's send a command from our smartphone. First, send the motor on command. You can see the same is displayed on the LCD screen, and also one of the relay turns on indicating the motor is turned on. Now send the motor off command. Motor off is displayed on LCD and the same relay turns off. Likewise, you can do for any of the machinery that is connected to the relay. Interested in developing your own smart switch for agriculture irrigation? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project.